Hey folks, how y'all doing today? It's Papa Gene again. Welcome to another exciting venture with Papa Gene. Here we go. Hey, I want to show y'all something. This is the passenger side of my truck. There's the glove compartment. Anyhow, this is the passenger side, and this is called a kick plate because that's where you put your feet on the floorboard. And this is called a kick plate. Now, behind this kick plate, I'm going to show you something here. Let me take this thing out of the way. I just had it out of the way, so it's not that easy, really. There's a switch in here. This switch is called inertia switch. I believe I'm saying that right. Let me see where I'm at. There it is. Inertia switch. See, there's a little reset button right here. Push this reset button down. And what this does actually is, say you get into a wreck. You hit somebody, whatever, with the front of your car, your truck, or whatever. Instead of, and you rupture a gas line. Well, instead of the gas line leaking on the ground and, spark or whatever, the gas catches fire, well, then your truck blows up and kills everybody else around you that's trying to put the fire out. That's what this is for. When this is a truck, this is my old truck, and you hit something, well, this thing pops out and then stops the gas. Now, it'll turn over, but it won't run because then they get no gas. I had problems with this. I thought it was this here a while back. I wasn't getting gas to my truck, so I cleaned the filters and I checked this and I checked that, checked the fuel line, I checked the fuel pump. Everything was good. So that's how I discovered this. Guy at the auto parts told me to do exactly what I just showed you to do. Take that kick plate off, take this and push that red button. I did. It didn't do anything. Well, I guess that wasn't it. So, well, come to find out what it was the brain, the gas operating brain. Come on, man, I've been driving since I was 16, and I'm 69. And I've never, all the old cars I've had, in 55 Chevrolets and Fords and Dodges, they didn't have all this, man. Brains and switches. It's hid, back in here. This is where it was at, way down in here. And I mean, come on. I took this truck to a auto place, like an auto clinic or repair shop. That's what I'm trying to say. And they couldn't figure out what was wrong with my truck. So I got home. We had to push it home. That switch there, I pulled it out, and I reset it. And it's, watch. Since I reset it, I already reset it. I cheated a little bit. Let me turn it on real quick. If I can reach it. Okay, you heard that real slow. That was my starter dragging. Okay, that runs fine. You hear that? It's running fine. A mechanic couldn't figure this. Is supposedly master mechanics. Yeah, they masters, all right. But they couldn't figure it out. What the heck? And truthfully, I don't know why this thing kicked. I didn't hit anything. It just wouldn't start one day. Well, maybe it's going bad and might not last long. If it goes out again, well, then I'll go back in there and get another switch and put it in there. But it's working for right now. Well, I'll fix it if it's not broke. All right? So, anyhow, that's how you do that. I'm going to show you something here, how to take it off if you ever have to. There's a, I don't know what you call it. Just, here it is. I'm gonna take it with me. This just covered that hole up. You gotta take that off to get that kick plate off. Well, then you gotta just pry on that kick plate and bring it out, and there it is. So I believe it's just Ford's that has this. I'm pretty sure it's just Ford's. So anyhow, that's an inertia switch. I didn't name it. So let me show you what my next project is. I'm working on my boat tail lights. I'm trying to get it legal. I just was going to replace the tail lights. There they are, those black things. Turn signal, you know, stop and run lights and all that. But anyhow, I took it all apart. Man, there is water. Can you see that? It's how it's rusted. Water's not supposed to be able to get into it. It did. I guess that lens was cracked or whatever was wrong with it. Water got in it. Burnt the bulbs out. Well, you can see that rust. Can you see that rust? Well, this side over here is, see, the bottom of it's broke out. So anyhow, so I was going to get me one a while ago. Well, you know, I got enough stuff going on right now. As you can tell, there's no license plate on it. Guess why? I hadn't went and got it yet. Well, you know, one thing at a time, you know. So anyhow, we're gonna get this little thing going. Get back out there. It's my own Monarch boat. Got a 60 horsepower Mercury Bigfoot. That Bigfoot is that lower unit there. That's the Bigfoot. That's to push these pontoons. It's a little heavier duty than just a regular 60 horsepower Mercury because of that lower unit. And for those of you that do have boats, then you understand what I'm trying to get at here with these lower units. If you tear one up, you're fixing to spend some money. Now this one here, I checked with Mercury. They wanted $2,400 for it because the other one was bad. So anyhow, I shopped around, and my brother out of Louisiana, he has a friend here in Texas he hooked me up with. He hooked me up with somebody in Florida, his company. They sell aftermarket stuff like that, you know, the lower units and whatever for boat motors. It was $900, $950, and that's what it was, $950 of what I paid for it because of the fact they shipped it. Cost $50 to ship it from Florida. Well, they yeah, that's aftermarket. I mean, it's brand new. So anyhow, well, that's about it. I just wanted to show y'all a couple of things here. But that inertia switch is, I guess it's got its good points, you know, but you know, something that none of the other vehicles that I've ever had on it. Look, y'all have a good day, and come back and see me again. All right, bye bye. I'm out here.